Good morning, dear students. I think all of you are fine at home. After a long time, we will again continue with our English class for the class 10th. I was at my home, Kerala, for long days. That's why I could not take class for it. Now we will move on to the second chapter. And there are few students who are coming to the school to ask the doubts and all. I have already just explained to them this chapter. This is for the students who are not able to come to the school. And there are few grammar part that are of the previous chapter, which we will take later, either through another way when all are present. Now we move on to the next, the B, reading. Every success story is also a story of great failures. The meaning of the heading itself is very understandable. Every success story, what all people had the success, is also a story of great failures. They had failures in their life. And actually the article is written by Shiva Khera, a famous author, motivational speaker who exists today. I will just read out about the author. Shiva Khera is an Indian author of self-help books and activist, a very famous person. While working in the United States, he was inspired by a lecture delivered by Norman Vincent Peale and followed his motivational speech or teachings. Shiva Khera, while he was attending in a session in the United States where he was working in there, America, he was moved by Mr. Norman Vincent and he followed him. Khera has written several books including You Can Win. It's a very famous book, Shiva Khera's You Can Win. I have personally attended his classes when I was in Kerala. His mission is to ensure freedom through education and justice. Ensure freedom through education and justice. To have the freedom through education first, then justice. Shiva Khera was born in a business family which used to have coal mines at Kendua in Dhanbad, India. Is a northern part of India, where he had coal mines at his family. Soon after the nationalization of coal mines by the Indian government, when the Indian government nationalized, when they took over these coal mines, he had to search for his own living. He wanted to search for his own living. In his early years, he worked as a car washer. Car washer, you know what it is. A life insurance agent, and a franchisee operator before he became a motivational speaker. So he tried different fields. Later, he became a motivational speaker. Now let us move on to the chapter, what he says. The first paragraph. Failure is the highway to success. Tom Watson said, if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. No? Tom Watson once he said, failure is the way to success. And if you want to succeed in your life, double your failure rate. You may fail 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, but double it. If you study history, you will find that all stories of success are also stories of great failures. If you study the history of the world, if you study the history of the people who succeeded in life, you will find that all of them had failures. But people don't see the failures. No? The people, those who are seeing the winning people, they won't see the failure. They only see one side of the picture and they say that this person got lucky. When we find some people who are succeeded, people won't see, then we won't see the failures of that. We will see only, he was lucky enough, so he succeeded. He must have been at the right place at the right time. The person, the concerned person who was succeeded in his life was in right place at the right time. Let me share someone's life history with you. Here the Shiva Khera, the author, is sharing. This was a man who failed in business at the age of 21. Listen very carefully. Failed at the age of 21 in business. Was defeated in a legislative election. Legislative race at the age of 22. Failed again in a business at 24. At the age of 24 again. Failed again in a business at the age of 24. Overcame the death of his sweetheart, maybe his wife, at the age of 26. had a nervous breakdown at the age of 27. A nervous breakdown. Lost a congressional race at the age of 34. Congressional again, a political step. Lost a senatorial race, and the election to the Senate at the age of 45. Failed in an effort to become vice president at the age of 47. Lost again a senatorial race at the age of 49. The Senate is, in the United States, the Senate is the ruling people of different states of the United States. That's it. And was elected President of the United States at the age of 52. Go through the chapter very well, you understand. Failure. At the last, he became the President of the United States, the very famous post a person can hold in the world. This man was Abraham Lincoln. The story of the Abraham Lincoln clearly says that he had failures in life many times, but he succeeded. Would you call him a failure? Question. Would you call him a failure? We won't call. No. He could have quit, but to Lincoln, defeat was bitter and not a dead end. It was a bitter and was not at all a dead end. In 1930, Lee De Forest. Now, who is Lee De Forest? In the vocabulary, it is written. He is an American inventor who invents different things with over 180 patents. Patents, the person who finds something, the ownership goes to him.